As we're heading into the fall season, you may want to consider these maintenance tips before the rainy season starts. Here are some quick tips for maintaining your home. Hello, I'm Genevieve Partsch with Hearthstone Real Estate. A big tip is to make sure your gutters, your roof are clear from all and any debris. With a rainy season, we'll have leaves that will begin to fall and clog up those gutters, and this can build up and deteriorate your roof. You want to make sure this is taken care of before the winter time. Sometimes you forget, so check your smoke alarms and your CO2 carbon monoxide detectors. It's easy to forget about because most are hot wired or have a 10-year battery. Just a good thing to check. I don't know how many times I'm showing a home and notice that the homeowner has not maintained their HVAC system. You will want to change out the filter about every 3 to 4 months. You can buy a disposable one. Make sure you measure before heading to the store to pick some up. Or you can buy a reusable one that you just take out and clean. You want to be able to breathe nice, fresh, clean air. As the colder season comes, some types of siding expand and contract, leaving gaps in the siding. You will want to seal these openings, especially before the rainy season, as it can cause moisture to get behind that siding and cause issues. Seal gaps around the doors, windows, that way you don't get that cool air filling into your home. It will also keep your electricity bill down low. Make sure you're covering your faucets around the exterior of your home. If you have an irrigation system, winterize it before we have a freeze fully. If a pipe or a leak happens from not freezing, you can have a hefty bill you have to have fixed. If you do not know how to winterize an irrigation system, call a professional. If you need a recommendation, I got a great contact for you. The beginning of fall time is typically an excellent time to think about painting the exterior of your home. If the home has not been painted in the last 10 years, a painter can seal the cracks, crevices, or any chipping paint. This will maintain the life of your siding and give your home an excellent curb appeal. Make sure you're following to learn about simple improvements you can make to your home and how to boost your equity in your home. I have some more awesome videos coming your way. If you have specific questions, feel free to text, call. I look forward to helping you with any of your real estate needs.